Hi, my name is Nadia Dyson from Luxury Locations Antigua, and today I'm in a brand new listing for sale in Jolly Harbour. We are on the south finger of Jolly Harbour in a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom villa on the waterfront and just 100 metres from the beach. Let me show you around. Right now I'm in the open plan kitchen, so you walk in the front door, you've got parking space, and then you come into this lovely L-shaped kitchen. It's got a Korean countertop, dishwasher, oven, hob, all relatively new. There's a great big storeroom and a guest toilet in this space. So that's the kitchen area. Now, like with most Jolly Harbour townhouses, it's an open plan concept. We're going to go from the kitchen through to the living room and then out onto your patio and then to your deck on the waterfront. Let me show you. So here we are in the living room area, which has a huge leather sofa. You've got your flat screen TV, it's got air conditioning, and then you've got these huge wide doors, patio doors that lead out onto your balcony. So this property has been renovated. So they've got about 4 to 5 foot extra on this living room area, and they've managed to take out the normal sliding doors that you normally get and put in these larger ones. So you've got a lot of extra space plus a much wider view. Let's go outside. So I'm outside now on the covered balcony. Well, this bit's covered, this bit's not. And there's a dining table, barbecue, and they have an awning, which is great if you want to be out in the sunshine. They've also got a very large deck and also a dock of 25 foot and a boat lift. So if you are looking to have a boat in the harbour, this villa is already set up for you. Now, one of the things to look at when you're looking to buy a property in Jolly Harbour is the location. This is a great location. It's only 100 metres from the beach. And in the morning, you get this beautiful sunshine. And then when it comes to the afternoon, it's nice and shaded. So you get a nice breeze and you can sit outside and have your barbecue without the sun beating on you. So it's a really great villa. You also get lots of breeze through the house. And again, you're 100 metres from the beach. So here we are on the dock. It's a 25-foot dock and you've got a boat lift. So I've shown you the outside and now it's time to have a look at the bedrooms upstairs. So I've just walked into the master bedroom, which has been renovated as well. In some of the older properties, the balcony is much bigger. So they've pushed this bedroom all the way out as far as they can and kept a little bit of the balcony and then had the nice three pane patio doors put in. So as I mentioned before, the house has been fully renovated. So they've managed to get another 4 or 5 foot on this bedroom. So it's extremely spacious and they've kept just a little bit of the balcony so you still can go out and stand out there and have a look out to the view. And it is a great view. Let's go and take a look at the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. It's got 2 twin beds and it's already set up for rental or for your arrival. Most properties in Antigua do come fully furnished, so you'd get all the property's furniture if you decided to purchase this property. Another great thing about this property is it has electronic hurricane shutters. So when you're leaving or if there's a storm coming, you just press the button and down they come, which is really, really simple and very handy. Let's have a look at the view from this balcony. So this is the private balcony from the second bedroom, and it's got a great view of all your neighbours, and you can nearly see the road all the way down to the beach, which is, honestly, it'll take you 3 minutes to get to the beach. So that's the second bedroom. Let me show you the ensuite for this bedroom, and then we'll go back downstairs. So the bathroom for this bedroom is located here. It is separate, but nobody else uses it other than this bedroom because the main bedroom has an ensuite and downstairs there is a guest toilet. Thank you for watching our video on 229C in Jolly Harbour. Let me just recap everything that I've showed you. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom property on the south finger of Jolly Harbour. It's only 100 metres away from the beach. It's furnished in a shabby chic beachy kind of theme and ready to go for villa rentals. Each room has been pushed out, maximising the interior space. It has an extended deck, perfect for sun lounging, a 25-foot dock and a boat lift. It has complete hurricane shutters on every window and door, and it's available on the market right now for $525,000 United States dollars. So if this villa is of interest to you and you want to have a little look, please contact us at info@luxurylocations.com. If you want to see more videos and properties for sale, please click the link below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.